Find the volume and the surface area of the triangular prism shown in this diagram. So we've got a triangular prism. This is the triangle here. This is the height, and of course the same triangle at the top. Now we're going to look at this using a GeoGebra applet. So this is the GeoGebra applet, so that you can see it from different angles. Okay, and the link to this GeoGebra applet I will put in the notes of the video. So you can see we've got a triangular prism with a length here of 3 and 4, same on the bottom, 3 and 4, and a height of 6. We will need to know that this length here of the triangle is 5 in order to calculate the surface area, and we'll look at that in a minute. So going back to this, so using my diagram, the volume of a prism, and this is a prism because this triangle can be moved all the way throughout the length of the height of the prism. So it's going to be the area of the cross section times the height. So this is the cross section, this area here. So that's going to be an area of a triangle. So it's going to be a half of 3 times 4. This one is 3 as well, and this is 4 because it's a prism. And then we need to multiply it by the height, or sometimes we use the term length, but it's a height because it's standing on its edge here. So times the height, which is 6. So that gives me a half of 3 times 4 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 6 gives me 36 centimeters cubed. Right, in order to look at the surface area, what you need to do is look at the net of this shape. So let's go back to this GeoGebra applet here. So here we have our prism here. Okay, if I move this slider along, what happens, it opens up the net of the shape. Just move that length there a little bit. Okay, so what we've got here is the length of the shape, the net of the shape. So we've got the original prism now standing on its net. So the net is the shape that is used to make the actual prism, if you were to sort of cut it out on cardboard. And that the area of that shape, it gives you the surface area of the shape. So if you put this round like that, we get the sort of the net for the prism. So basically what we've got here, we've got this triangle here, which is 3 times 4. We've got this triangle here, which again is going to be 3 times 4. And then you need to work out the area of each of these rectangles. So it's 3 times 6, 4 times 6, and then 5 times 6. Add it all together, that gives you the surface area of the shape. So go back to this. Okay, so here we got our shape. So I'm just going to mark these lengths on again so they're clearer to see. So these are the lengths. This is 6 because it has to join up and join with this one in order to make the height of the prism. This is 3, this is 4. Okay, and then this length here is 6 because it will make the height of the prism, and this length will have to be 5 because it has to join onto this here, and it would, this point here would join onto this point here. Again, if you're not sure, just return to this, move it at a slight angle, and then you can see how the shape is made. You can see for yourself how the shape is made. So like I said, the surface area will be the area of the 2 triangles plus the area of the 3 rectangles, and this is the calculation which is on the app. So returning to this, the surface area is the net of the triangular prism. So that's going to be, the surface area is going to be the area of the 2 triangles, so area of this triangle plus the area of this triangle, plus the area of the 3 rectangles, so plus the area of this rectangle, and this rectangle. So an ability to be able to draw the net will help you, or visualize the net will help you solve this sort of problem. So the area of the triangles is a half times 3 times 4. 3 times 4, this is the base, this is the height, or it could be the other way around. We take half, but we need to multiply it by 2 because we have 2 triangles, plus the area of this rectangle, which is 6 times 3, plus the area of this rectangle, which is 4 times 6, plus the area of this rectangle, which is 5 times 6. We just need to work that out. So this gives me a half times 3 times 4, which is 6. 6 times 2 gives me 12. 3 times 6 gives me 18. 4 times 6 gives me 24. And then 5 times 6 gives me 30. Then we add those together and we get a surface area of 84 centimeters squared. Okay, so just going back one more last time to look at this. Okay, yeah, you can actually look at it in 3D if you've got 3D glasses. If you click on here and go to this one here, you can got 3D glasses. You can actually look at it in 3D as well. Okay, if you have 3D glasses. Well, we don't, so we'll just go back to this. Okay, and then we can see that will make up the shape if you join up the net. Okay, so the surface area is like the area of the net to make the shape. Obviously don't count the area of any flaps that you'd use. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the volume and the surface area of a triangular prism. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.